Imagine yourself in this Dodge 2018 Journey say. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: engine 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT, STD, black top package included, black headlamp bezels, wheels, 17 inches x 6.5 aluminum with black top package, gloss black grille, granite pearl coat, quick order package 22B included, engine 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP rear view auto dim mirror with display park view rear backup camera, transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, STD, connectivity group included, radio 4.3 SU connect voice command with Bluetooth, leather-wrapped shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel, radio 4.3S included, Sirius satellite radio, 1-year Sirius XM radio service. For more info call 888